Beedle class list with diary. In this video, we will learn how Beedle class list may be used to pick random students, select groups, and create and share diary entries, all within Microsoft Teams. Once you have installed Beedle, you may add a Beedle class list tab to any channel within a team. In this example, Cara is logged into Microsoft Teams and wishes to add Beedle class list to her 7S mathematics team. Clicking on the Teams tab in the navigation bar on the left, Cara first selects her 7S mathematics team. Then, in the navigation bar on the 7S team canvas, Cara clicks on the plus button. Here, Beedle is shown in the recent list. Alternatively, a search will find it. Cara clicks on Beedle and installs the tab by selecting the radio button next to Class List with Diary and clicking on Save. A new canvas opens in the General channel, containing Beedle class list for Cara's 7S mathematics class. The Class tab shows the whole group. Cara wishes to ask some questions to check learning from last lesson, and clicks the Student button to highlight a student at random from the group. Alex Wilbur is absent today, so Cara opens the settings and excludes Alex Wilbur from the random student selection. Cara also then chooses not to have the selection repeated, to highlight those already questioned, and to show a count by ticking all three boxes. After finishing her initial questions, Cara resets the random selector by clicking on the count. The next part of Cara's lesson requires group work. Selecting the Groups tab, Cara decides to create random groups of 4 students. So she types 4 into the first box, selects Students per group from the second box, and clicks Shuffle. If Cara is not happy with the makeup of some groups, she can either click Shuffle again or click and drag students between groups. Finally, Cara drags Alex Wilbur to the absent group. Cara downloads a copy of the group to Word for future reference by clicking the download icon and selecting Download as Word. Cara now decides to share a diary entry with Alex to let him know what he has missed. Hovering over Alex's name in the Class tab, Cara clicks on the plus icon and writes a message. Cara decides to share the diary entry with both Alex and the other teachers of this class. Cara tags this as support and also adds another tag of her own for absence before clicking Save. Note that the tag will only be applied if clicked on with the mouse or if the return key is pressed prior to clicking on Save. In the Diary tab, Cara may view all her diary entries for this class and may also create new comments in the diary from here. Creating a new comment for Al, tagging it as praise, and sharing it with him. In the Personal tab, which is found via the Beedle icon in the Teams navigation bar on the left, Cara can view and create diary entries for all her students across all of her teams. Or, through the drop-down menu here, navigate to a specific team. Hovering over a student in the class list and clicking on the diary icon automatically takes Cara to the diary entries for that student. Notice that the Diary tab is now selected above. Cara uses the filter to search across all classes and find comments which she has made herself with the tag Support over the past year. Cara requires a copy of these records, and so downloads this list as an Excel file rather than printing it.